Everybody is equal. There is no economic classification as in A, B, C, D, or E. There is no biased grouping as in very rich, rich, middle class, poor, or very poor. I am asking you now to be the independent observers, because I believe that by using this application, we will be able to determine or get a complexion of the feelings of the Filipino people. Now, my initial survey was very limited because, as you would notice, this page has 83,000 followers. My page, mannypino.com. And of the 83,000, when I posted the survey, only about less than 1,000 responded. And here are the results of the initial survey, which I conducted using the Facebook application. Ito yung survey na ino-offer ng Facebook na pwede mong gamitin actually. And pwede mong targetin yung audience. Medyo mabagal yung ating pag-load. Anyway, here it is. No? Of the 919 votes that I gathered in the initial polling, ito yung nakakatawa na resulta. Si Jojo Binay na sinasabi ng mga taga-Manila na number 1, kulelat with only 2% of the votes out of 900 plus. 17 votes lang kinuha niya. Sumunod sa kanya si Grace Poe at 5th place with 28 votes representing 3%. Sumunod sa kanya si Mar Rojas with 3%, 31 votes. And then we have Bongbong Marcos, 5% with 44 votes. And in second place, far second, is Senator Miriam Defensor Santiago with 7% or 60 votes. Ang nakakagulat, si Mayor Rudy Duterte, who is not being included in the surveys actually, came out in this survey with an incredible 80%. Getting 739 votes out of 919 already submitted. Now, what does this indicate? I could not call this a very accurate survey, because you have to understand that most of those who voted were actually followers of my page. And being followers of my page, I would assume that they like my views, they agree with my political views, and since they know that I'm pro-Duterte, they would agree with me. And so, I decided to ask my friends to help me launch a wider and more inclusive survey. Today, in front of you, we will launch a survey that will no longer include just the followers of my page, but using the Facebook application, we will include all other Filipinos. And I want you to help me define the parameters that will be covered by the survey. Ang gagawin natin ngayon, i-boost natin itong page ko na ito. Itong article na ito, i-boost natin. Facebook will allow me to target about 500,000 readers, no? By paying 6,810 pesos, we can actually increase the respondents. Okay? Pero pwede nating targetin. Sino bang pwede nating targetin? Dito kasi nakalagay, people who like your page and their friends. Yun ang una. So we will change this now. And you can help me identify it, no? Define the audience. So ito na yung gagawin natin ngayon. Ang kasama sa survey na gagawin natin will be men and women aged 18 to 65 and above, and then living in the Philippines. Pwede natin i-amend yung living in the Philippines because there are Filipinos living outside of the Philippines. So pwede natin i-edit yan, no? Okay? We can include the Philippines. What else do you like? United States of America? Okay? Okay, no? Okay? Canada? May mga Pilipino sa Canada?
Hong Kong.
Hong Kong,
Singapore.
ah, United Kingdom, United Arab Emirates, maraming trabahante ron.
Japan. Dubai.
Dubai. Dubai, I think is one. UAE yun.
Japan. Japan.
Japan, okay? Japan.
Japan Tukan.
Japan po.
Saudi Arabia. Australia. Ano ba? Malaysia.
Thailand. Burma. Indonesia.
Singapore.
Si Mama dyan.
Thailand.
Thailand, yeah.
Thailand.
Sa Iraq,
Tayo
may
ba?
tao.
Wala na. Puro killer.
Pero na. I love it.